What is it?
A big old beam. Oh, shit.
A big old beam?
Yes.
Well, there'll be another one.
Oh, my God. Is it raining? It could be hail. Look at the rain. They're landing. Coming down, huh?
I don't know what it is.
The meteorite. Look over there. Just put it over there. Her face.
I think I got it.
The face?
The beam.
Good.
Oh, sure.
It's not gone. Get ready, it might fall. Up, bring it up. You missed one. I'm going inside.
It started up again.
I know. It's the alien ship. See here? And another one. I hear a lot of commotion over there. They're circling us. Hi. Oh, I just saw a shooting star. Or meteorite.
We'll be on this if you did.
Okay. I went inside. It's getting cold.
Weird sounds over Avondale, Arizona. Huh?
I don't know how many people heard it.
It's still going. It's still fucking...
It's something that's... Oh, you would like to go inside when that happens.
What happened?
Like, that explosion.